From futuristic doors to unbreakable windows and even futuristic tools inspired by heroes, we have got them all covered. The fastest way to scare a thief away from your property is by harming him, and that's where the sublethal remote gun comes in. This remote gun gives you the ability to fight against criminals without putting yourself at risk. The remote gun gives you the ability to shoot a bullet like the real guns, but are still sublethal, which means it does not cause more damage. It has a 360 movement around and 100 degrees vertical, but in case of situations where things are going out of hand, iron bullets can be used instead of rubber ones, since it is capable to go as fast as lethal weapons. Forewarned is forearmed. Anybody who cares about his security should know this popular fact. Just as the name implies, it's a surveillance device that helps in keeping track of your environment, whether it's your home, your farms, your workplace, or any other place, which is very good at detecting and tracking all targets hundreds of meters away from it, with all its focus on it. In any condition, whether it's rainy, snowy, day, night, cold, or even hot, it works perfectly. The description of a perfect security drone is one which is moved around anytime and anywhere in the world. Security cameras are good, but has the disadvantage of being static all day long. This drone comes with a case where it is being charged. It just needs to be plugged to electric for its power. It takes around 20 minutes to charge to its peak and many hours before it will lose all its power. The Haven Lock is a revolutionary access control system. This Haven is 10 times stronger than a normal door lock. The Haven was designed, engineered, manufactured in Tennessee by veterans. This device is connected wirelessly to Bluetooth and other means of connection using its app. Many doors, windows, and other places closed by the lock can be connected to one source, which means multiple enclosures can be opened and closed. If your neighborhood is not completely filled with criminals, you can opt for something simpler. Take a look at this simple and safe handle device, which helps to stop the door instantly if there is any attack from an intruder. Chains are still okay, but doesn't provide enough security like this device, which requires a hole that's 50 mm deep in the ground. It can simply engage and disengage by foot, withstanding the pressure of up to 500 pounds. Here is a protection device that have sold at least 150,000 products to many customers like Chanel and the banks of Ireland. It looks unreal, but in a matter of seconds it is capable of filling a whole room with dense fog that will make you incapable of seeing your own hands and even legs. It's safe, non-toxic, and doesn't cause danger to electronics, pets, furniture, even humans. No panic in the panic room is actually a phrase by the creators of Shield Security Panic Room. We all value our own security and the security of our families, relatives, and friends, and that's where exactly the panic room comes in. This creation provided us with a box-like object which humans can fit in for 100% security. The box-like object provides you with a bulletproof door, ventilation, external surveillance equipment, and also a system for communication with emergency services. The failure of criminals to gain access to your house through the door turns their attention to the garage based on its weak built doors. Back in the 90s, Teak made it with cars of the famous celebrity Sylvester Stallone in his garage. Check out these aluminium doors, the first to be certified in the UK. This certification has already described it as competent, not just to burglars but also to terrorists, ensuring top-notch reliability. This door is so resistant to breaking that it might take hours if there's a break-in. Glasses are known as weak, but when it comes to silicate glasses, it's a different story. Here is a glass that can be used as a shield against guns, axes, sledgehammers, and even cars. This glass is so strong that it can withstand multiple hundreds of a sledgehammer strike, even when criminals prepare thoroughly for a perfect operation, dodge all remote guns, all cameras, and all security devices. In that case, they will encounter the second line of defense. While regular glasses can be destroyed in just a hit and some in like 30 seconds, this glass is an opposite. Here is another alternative for the Silitech, but not particularly strong as the Silitech. These screens look like nets, but are way stronger. They have been tested with knives, axes, sledgehammers, and many other tools, but to no avail. These security screens are not the only ones made strong, but also the handles. Even when you luckily cut it a little, to unlock the door and carry your operation ain't that easy. When it comes to home security, the need for a device, a person, or animal that will awake you when you're asleep is crucial. This innovation comes with the lighting and also a camera that comes with a 2.5K resolution. This camera uses artificial intelligence to detect, alarm the owner, and also on the light when an intruder is seen, capable of viewing a field view of 180 degrees and sending notifications to the homeowner in case of any suspicious activity. Its light is dimmable and also has colored night vision with recordable audio inputs and also a 24/7 recording capability. As a human, the need for fun, dopamine, and pleasure is essential, but that doesn't stop the invaders from entering your house. There is a handy alarm system. This one triggers when an intruder approaches within 20 centimeters. Owners receive notifications on their smartphones. It also checks the status of mounted objects and detects any sound or any breakage. This device disrupts the intruder with both light and sound alarms. Firstly, it flashes its red light as its way of saying that there is a suspicious activity, followed by a siren, then on the light, and then all windows are slided down. The creators of this product aim to provide a worry-free life. This smart fence doesn't just send alerts to your phone when they stop, but also activates the siren simultaneously. It's so effective that it's recommended for use both industrially and for the military. Here is an invention that has expanded to countries like Malaysia, India, China, and counting based on its high effectiveness and its reliability. Using a screwdriver, a hammer, and other little equipment will easily open a window or a door. But in this case, the UK-based company has made this impossible, which will surely lead to the retirement of the invaders. The smart doors can enhance your home security with some high-tech features, notifying your phone when a break-in attempt is detected, and also features that renders keys and pins useless. Based on its biometric locks, owners just need to use their fingerprints, allowing you to open your doors with your smartphones, temporary passwords, and if that's not enough, the door's improved nature can also allow the smart house system to turn on lights when you enter. Here is a deceiver in form of a security gadget that actually gives the intruder a negative signal when coming to intrude your home. It might look like it's real and solid, but it's 100% plastic. This spikes has two common options, the Stiga barrier strip or the Stiga Rosa barrier. Rotating block, both measured 50 cm in length and are designed to withstand rain and bad weather. And if an intruder manages to breach the fence, then they should encounter additional security measures like the burglar-resistant windows, the secure glide roller doors, insane strong doors, surveillance radar cameras, and many more gadgets. This Trustwin is an authorized dealer for all kinds of security inventions that has met all government and safety regulations. These safety wires comes with all important tech relevant to secure your house. It has a disturbance sensor, detects change in wire tension, sends notification to the security team's phone, when an irregular activity is detected and has the ability to shock its prey due to its high voltage wires. Also alerts the security team when any wire is caught for break-ins.